You know what it is? You know what time it is?
These nuts?
I don't even know. Why did I ask you? Okay, so, hello everybody. We're back with more Surviving Survival, and today I am with... Cool Dude's back, everybody. He's back. It's been a long time. Hasn't it? Hasn't it? Alright, so, in all seriousness, guys, we are back. I am back with Cool Dude. Cool Dude has finally returned. Again. And, yeah, dude,
What did I did wrong?
It has been a long time since I made a video with you.
What did I did wrong?
I think last time I made a video with you was like 3 weeks ago? Maybe? I don't know. But it's been a long time since we have, okay, so here's my stuff.
I have a lot of iron.
Alright, so, we last episode we had of Surviving Survival, we just kept on killing each other for fun because we don't have any...
We don't have a life.
We don't have anything to do now, since we basically went to the Nether and we got all the stuff that we need.
I came up with the idea for this episode, and today's episode we're going to attempt, don't keep my word on that. We're going to attempt to find a stronghold.
Exactly.
So we can go to the end, possibly.
Right. But I have not...
I don't have it. Oh, I do have blaze art.
I have not set my spawn point yet, so I do not know what's gonna happen if I die. Obviously, if I die, that means that...
All your stuff is gone, and you will not be able to find it, because nobody cares about your stuff, because you lost it.
This is my stuff.
I only have 2 other eyes.
So this is all your stuff? Right here?
All over here.
And then you just have mine with the little dope shop.
Where do I go?
I don't even have a sword.
Break, please. So I'm going over here. Let's just keep running. Straight this way.
Alright. Okay, so guys, I actually have a little question for you guys, and that is, who do you think would win in a fight? Would it be Deadpool or would it be Wolverine? Yeah, who would win in a fight, Wolverine or Deadpool?
No! No! My eye of ender broke. It exploded.
What does that mean?
It exploded.
I can't catch up to you. I'm all out of hunger.
If this explodes, okay, which it probably will.
What does that mean if it explodes?
It means you don't get it done. Looks like we're gonna run straight.
Wait for me.
Run into the jungle.
Can't catch up because I'm hungry for some reason. Also, guess what movie we are going to see today? Today we
are going to go see the second Maze Runner.
Yes, that is right. We are going to see Maze Runner, the Scorched. Yeah, we're going to go see Maze Runner to the Scorched Trails, and then I will be doing a review on that
at 4A Kuluk TV.
Not. I won't be doing the review.
We're gonna go there at 4.
Yeah.
No, where my Eye of Ender go?
Yeah, we're gonna go see the Scorched Trails at 4 o'clock today.
I lost my Eye of Ender.
That's not good.
I have no idea where it's at.
That's not good.
I collected a stuff.
Speaking of losing, I lost you. There you are. I saw your little name tag. Little ard fard.
You haven't seen me. You haven't seen me. You haven't seen me.
I can see you. You're right there.
You haven't seen me.
Friend! No.
Where is my Eye of Ender?
Okay, actually, the real... There's another question for you guys. You guys probably are probably going to answer the Wolverine one, not this one. But, do you guys want me and my brother to make more videos with Robert the Shark in future videos? Yeah, because Robert the Shark is a cool person. He's a really cool person. He's a good friend of ours. Alright.
Mine on just wood.
What-
Because
what-
wood
what-
is amazing.
What is it that we're trying to do now?
I'm trying to find my freaking Iron Bender.
I think we lost it, guys. I think we should head back. Oh god. What's that? Alright. Ah,
Never shall I head back.
I need something to eat.
Never.
My character's gonna starve to death.
Never.
Well, he's not gonna starve to death, but he's gonna starve. This gives me an idea. Alright.
There's a village over there.
What am I doing?
There's a village over there.
Yeah, but we have a village of our own that we're living in. And it has our stuff in it.
Let's go check that one out.
Alright, fine.
Ah! No! Ouchie. Ow!
He died. He died. Oh no.
Shoot!
Oh no.
My wolfie is out how?
Oh no. No. No.
You don't even care, do you?
No. Oh, that's a pretty big drop. Oh boy. Please don't fall.
Gotcha.
Don't fall. Gotcha. Okay.
You don't even need that word.
Sword. Yes, I finally got something to kill my food with.
How do you kill food?
It's possible. You just stab them. Okay, that happened. I fell.
You're collecting all my crap, man.
Fell out of the tree.
So you start collecting my stuff. Don't do that. It's just a cheap way of cheating. Cheater! Cheater! Cheater!
Boom. I need to go find some food.
I need to find all my stuff.
Food.
You're way all the way over there.
Food! Oh no. Okay, I was just about to say, I swear, if I missed that. Alright, come here, Piggy. Come here, Piggy!
Why do I only... Oh, there it is. There's all my stuff.
Okay, there's gotta be more animals, because I'm clearly not full enough. Because my guy is picky. He's so picky.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Slap on my helmet, slap on my chest plate, and I'm ready to fly. Like an eagle.
Oh, the puns are real.
I wanna fly like an eagle.
It looks like I have an iron sword a little bit.
No, it doesn't.
Underwater.
No, it doesn't. No, no.
Okay.
I'm gonna go check out this village, which has a blacksmith.
Oh, that's cool.
Too bad you're missing out on it. Yeah.
Dude, I'm like right next to the village. Still hungry though.
I will beat you there.
That's not fair. I'm not hungry.
I don't.
Okay, so we got villagers here. This is a big village. I don't think I've ever seen a village this big.
Bam! There's
Oh,
nothing.
hey, look, a
there-
blacksmith.
There's literally nothing in there.
Huh. That's the last thing I need for armor. But too bad I don't have any. Let's see, what do you got?
Thanks for free fornication.
He's probably got like a map for dirt or something. Let's see.
I was just. I thought it was.
What do we do? It's getting dark. I think we should just stay here, and then when it turns morning, we're gonna head back to the.
I want to murder some Endermans.
You go ahead and do that.
I need some iron.
Okay, hi, sir.
I'm gonna go collect some of these carrots. These carrots!
Hashtag these carrots.
These carrots! Carrots!
Right.
My carrots. These carrots are
Also, guys, I have a little bit of a suggestion for you guys.
just done.
I really hope you guys
Hi,
do check
Daddy.
out my friend.
If you guys want to eat something, I want to do it now.
Why? Can't we get popcorn? I love popcorn.
Hopefully, you guys check out my friend Faceless Donuts channel. Basically, what he does is that he does basically a bunch of vlogs and stuff.
Yeah.
And yeah, he's a good friend of mine. So
Did you brush your teeth? Connor, brush your teeth. Come on, dude. We got 45 minutes and we gotta go. Come on.
all right. Well, anyways, guys, I feel like this is
I need to brush my goddamn freaking teeth.
I feel like this is a good place to stop this episode for now. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more survival. And, yeah. If you guys have seen Scorch Trails, or if you guys want to see Scorch Trails, don't give me any spoilers yet, because we are going to see that today. So, yeah, I will be doing a review today. I might post it, like, tomorrow or something. But, yeah. I will be doing a review on Scorch Trails after I watch it. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And, yeah. Stay amazing, dudes. And I will see you dudes later in another video. Goodbye, dudes. Goodbye for now. Yeah.